Good morning. Welcome to the class. Today we are going to study about animal relationship. The different types of relationships that are found among the organisms. We understand that each organism is dependent on the other for any type of needs. These relationships ensures food and space for all the organisms. These relationships is known as interaction. On the basis of the benefits and harmful effects, there are two types of interactions. One is the positive interaction and negative interaction. The positive interaction is a beneficial for one interacting partner and other partner is not harmed or both of them are benefited. Again, I repeat, under positive interactions, it is beneficial for one interacting partner. In few other cases, one partner is not harmed or both of them are benefited. It includes mutualism and commensalism. Mutualism is an interaction between two living organisms of different species. Both partners are benefited. Example, crocodiles and flower birds, ant and aphid, flower and butterfly, honeybee and flower. The crocodiles and flower bird, it's a very interesting mutual relationships that takes place amongst them. The crocodiles keep their mouth wide open and the small flower birds go into the mouth of the crocodile and eats the decaying, decomposed food materials that are left over in the mouth of the crocodile. So thus, the flower bird acts as a dentist to the crocodiles. And the crocodiles are very happy to allow these flower birds to come and clean their teeth. The next example we have is ants and aphids. Ants feed on the honeydew left behind by the aphids. The aphids are provided with protection from the predators and the parasites by the ants. The next type of interaction that takes place among the organisms are commensalism. One of the partner is benefited, the other partner is neither benefited nor harmed. Example, shark and remora. Remora is a bony suckerfish which goes and attaches itself to the large fishes like shark, whale or any other. This remora goes and attaches to the shark and it gets two benefits out of this interaction. The remora gets protection and at the same time it eats the remains of the meat or the food that is taken by the larger fish. The second example, wasp and fig tree. Anemone fish or the clownfishes and the sea anemone. The next type of interactions is the negative interaction. Here, one interacting partner is harmed. Sometimes, in some cases, both partners are harmed. It includes predation, parasitism, and competition. Predation. It's a direct food relationship between two partners. One partner captures and feeds the other partner. The partner that captures and feeds is called as the predator, and the partner which is eaten up by the predator is called as the prey. Example, tiger and deer, whale and small fishes, human and other organisms. In case of tiger and deer, you can see it in the picture. The tiger eats the deer and the deer is killed by the tiger. So the predator and the prey relationship and the interactions between them. Next we have is the parasitism. One partner is benefited, another is harmed. Partner, those who get the benefit are called as the parasite. In other words, the parasites get the benefit from the host. The host is the one which gets affected, partially or completely affected and destroyed. The parasites get food and shelter from the host. Examples: tapeworm and human, leech and pig, mosquito and human. Under parasites, we have external parasites and internal parasites. The parasites that are present in the external environment of the host. They come, take the blood and survive. It's an external parasite. Whereas in case of an internal parasite, it lives inside the host and destroys them. The next type of interaction between organisms is competition. The relationship between organisms in which one is armed. When both partners or when two organisms or more than that compete to use the same resources like water, nutrients, light and space. It occurs only when resources are not sufficient for all the individuals. So individuals arm one another in trying to obtain the resources. Example, hyena and lion competing for territory, an eagle and a hawk competing for a prey. You can see fishes competing in a small aquarium for food and space. Here is a picture of hyena and lion competing for territory, an eagle and a hawk competing for a prey. So to conclude this session, we understand we are not alone. No one in this world is alone. All are dependent on each other for the habitat, food, and especially relationships, without which we cannot survive. Hope you enjoyed and understood the class. Meet you in the next session. Thank you.